If you also want to remove ads from YouTube like this, then do the same as shown in video. This trick will only work in iPhone only. First, click on the link that I will provide you in comment box. Click on Add Shortcut. As it is already in my device, you have to just add this in your iPhone. You have to just enable before watching the YouTube videos. Now ads will not be visible whenever you are watching YouTube video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to iPhone Therapy for more informative videos.